Hello and welcome to European Market Recap. Following the cash equity open here in Europe, we did see some modest risk appetite observed across the board, being led by euro, dollar and cable moving into positive territory. But at the midpoint of this session, European equities, the only ones hanging on to their gains, as they are still seen in modest positive territory at the North American Open. In terms of risk events so far, we have had the UK retail sales for June coming in below expectations at 0.1%, where the street was looking for a 0.6% reading. The ONS did say that any benefits that we did see from the Queen's Diamond Jubilee was outweighed by the wet weather effect that was observed across the past month. Elsewhere, we also had the Spanish auction results where they were selling their 10-year bonds, which was a focus of this week. Despite selling to the top of the range, we did see some weak demand and increasing yields across all sold lines. So in the aftermath of the results, we did see some risk off trade, with euro dollar moving back into negative territory, as well as the Spanish 10-year yield moving back into the danger zone above the 7% handle. So looking ahead in the session, we will be keeping an eye on that Spanish yield, but we do have some earnings releases from the US, from the likes of Morgan Stanley, as well as the weekly jobs data, which will continue to be a focus as the Fed does remain fixated on the US labour market. So we'll bring you that as soon as it hits the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Have a great rest of the day.